Look at this salmon. Just beautiful. Let's cook it together. Everything is ready. Fresh salmon fillet. We're keeping it simple, but insanely delicious. First, a little bit of butter. Slice it very thin, like this. And place it right on top of the fish. Don't overdo it. Just a little is enough to keep the salmon juicy and rich. Now seasoning, salt, black pepper, and a bit of dried basil. You can use whatever you like. This is just my go-to combo. Smells amazing already. Now lemon slices on top. And a sprig of rosemary. That's it. Clean, simple, perfect. Into the air fryer at 410 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how powerful your air fryer is. And done. Look at that. Juicy, flavorful, perfectly cooked salmon.